Watch Mat and Ashlee cook this main in episode 6 of MKR on 7+. Prep time: 1 hour cook time, 30 minutes serves. For ingredients, watch My Kitchen Rules on channel 7 and stream it for free on 7+. 600 grams venison fillet, 25 grams butter, 2 teaspoons olive oil, 2 bunches broccolini, halved lengthways toasted flaked almonds. To garnish venison, marinade, 60 milliliters olive oil, 4 cloves garlic, crushed, 6 sprigs thyme, leaves picked, 1/2 teaspoons each salt, and ground pepperROMESCO sauce, 1 dried ancho chili, 1 large red capsicum, 50 grams crustless sourdough cut into 2 cm piece, 40 grams blanched almonds, toasted 5 vine ripened tomatoes, quatered 3 cloves garlic, peeled 2 tablespoons sherry vinegar, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Method: to make venison marinade, combine all ingredients in a large bowl. Remove and discard seeds and stem. Place capsicum on an oven tray, cut side down. Place in a bowl and cover with a little plastic wrap. Stand for 5 minutes. Place capsicum, reconstituted chili, bread, almonds, tomatoes, garlic and vinegar in a blender. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 10 minutes. Preheat oven to 200 C. Heat a frying pan over medium-high heat. Cook venison until browned all over. Transfer venison to an oven tray and roast for about 5 minutes. Exact cooking time will depend on thickness of fillet and how you like it cooked. Return venison from oven to pan and baste all over with butter. Add broccolini and cook, turning until tender. Season. Serve venison and broccolini with Romesco sauce. Garnish with almonds.
And finally, thank you all for watching the video. Please like and comment your opinion so we can discuss together. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell to follow and update many other interesting news. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.